right this way. As you can see, these stainless steel tanks are essential for maintaining the perfect temperature and consistency before the freezing process begins. We've reached the target weight. Hold the flow.
The consistency at this stage is perfect. It's thick, yet still flowing smoothly, ensuring a creamy final product.
We're consistently hitting the target temperature right here. Everything is running smoothly according to the digital readout.
As the milk enters the pasteurizer, we must ensure the temperature holds steady at 72 degrees Celsius. This is critical for safety compliance. Look at how smoothly this flows. The homogenization really refined the particles, giving it this luxurious velvety feel. We've optimized the process, reducing the globules to stable nanoparticles, significantly enhancing absorption. To ensure uniform distribution, we gently fold the puree into the base, creating this beautiful swirling pattern.
By chilling the mixture during the aging process, we slow down oxidation, which really locks in those subtle fruity notes for maximum flavor enhancement.
As you can see by the shifting shadows in this time lapse, the aging process takes time.
As you can see, the dasher is incorporating air, giving us the perfect overrun and that incredibly smooth, creamy texture everyone loves.
Look at how smooth and creamy this is. We use only the finest vanilla beans for this batch.
The line runs at peak efficiency. The dispenser detects the cups and fills them rapidly before they move down the line for packaging. As you can see, the cups rapidly pass under this digital sensor. If the weight is off by even a fraction of a gram,
The key to this technology is the rapid phase transition you see here. We're talking about a temperature drop of 100 degrees per minute.
We monitor the core temperature during the rapid freeze cycle to ensure complete structural integrity.
The consistency is just incredible. Look at that perfect scoop.
This is where the precision comes in. Our robotic arms align these cups with sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring zero waste down the line.
Notice the smooth finish right here along the edge. This is crucial before we send it to the sealer.
We calibrate the robotic arm to maintain precise control over the sealing pressure. This gauge right here
The system is designed for high throughput. The robotic arm completes a full stacking sequence in under 2 seconds. As the cartons move through the tunnel, the heat activates the film, creating this tight, protective seal you see here. It's a precise process. Here we see the forklift moving the freshly wrapped pallets. We load from back to front, carefully tracking each shipment.
The key reading is this spike at 4 a.m. We breached the critical limit, which means this batch is compromised.
Our commitment to quality control means we meticulously test every step. This seal, for example, is analyzed by the mass spectrometer.
Notice the uniformity. This is the quality we guarantee in every cup.
Align the lid carefully, then apply firm, even pressure until you hear that snap. See, it's completely sealed.
To get this perfect set, we drizzle the warm chocolate directly onto the supercooled cup. It freezes on contact, locking in the design.
As you can see, the synchronization of these tanks ensures a consistent flavor profile across the entire batch.
As you can see, the volumetric piston ensures unparalleled dosing accuracy with every cycle. This is critical for our process.
To achieve the desired consistency, we closely monitor the air incorporation right here at the intake valve. This ensures the perfect freeze and texture.
As you can see in this macro shot, the chips are perfectly dispersed. This ensures a consistent melt and that rich chocolate flavor in every bite.
And here is the final texture. Exceptionally smooth and creamy, just the right consistency.
Very carefully fold the strawberry reduction into the base, creating this beautiful, mesmerizing swirl effect you see right here.
We're using a semi-sweet dark chocolate here. Just a light sprinkle at fist, then we'll add the rest for a generous layer.
Wrap. As you can see, the pallets are shrink wrapped and immediately moved from storage to the refrigerated truck.
This is the detail we're talking about. The way the vanilla and chocolate intertwine, it's not just appetizing, it's visually stunning. We're looking for that perfect ribbon stage. See the viscosity? That is the sign of a beautifully aerated, ultra creamy base.
The consistency here is key. It needs to be thick enough to hold its swirl, but still flow smoothly like this.
Set it right next to that last pallet. Watch the clearance on the top.
We're looking for this exact consistency, the way it curls off the spade and how the fudge gently stretches back to the cup. It's perfectly smooth.
See how it slowly coats the spoon? That's the ideal viscosity we're looking for, thick enough to hold the swirl when we combine the flavors.
Load the strawberry sorbet here first, then the mint chip directly behind it.
Even if the delivery is later?
Yes, it stabilizes the load better this way.
It's perfectly tempered. You can see the density and the smoothness as I slowly pull the spoon away from the cup.
Uniformity is critical. As you can see here, the blend is perfectly consistent, ensuring the exact same flavor profile every single time.
Are the levels stabilizing now?
No.
Yes, everything is running smoothly.